Basil has long been considered the king of the herbs, not only because of its popularity, but also because the name basileus literally means king in Greek. Basil is native to parts of Asia and Africa. Basil has a long history of cultivation around the world and has been used as a culinary herb, aromatic herb, and ornamental herb for centuries. Basil is well known for its use in Italian cuisine. It is one of the primary ingredients in pesto sauce. Basil is also commonly included in Indonesian, Thai, and Vietnamese cuisine. Basil is used in traditional Tamil and Ayurvedic medicine, which is a form of traditional medicine popular on the Indian subcontinent. From the shape of the leaf to the delicate fragrance, basil is an aromatic annual plant. With about 60 varieties of this fabulous herb, you'll find this stocky plant grows from 8 to 24 inches in height, with round or lance-shaped leaves which vary in color from green to reddish to purple. The leaves are quite fragile and lose their flavor after flowering at the tips of the stems, so it's always best to harvest the leaves before the plant blossoms. The flavor of basil can vary with each variety, with the most popular being reminiscent of lemon, anise, clove, thyme and camphor. Research indicates that there may be several health benefits associated with basil. Basil contains a wide range of essential oils, rich in phenolic compounds, and a wide array of other natural products including polyphenols such as flavonoids and anthocyanins. Today fresh or dried basil is a featured ingredient in pesto, soups, salads, and numerous pasta dishes. With such a high demand for fresh or dried basil, knowing how to grow and harvest your own has many advantages. Fortunately, this popular herb is relatively easy to grow in the home garden. Basil demands only 3 things: lots of sun, lots of water and well-drained soil. While it is a thirsty plant, it does not like standing water on its leaves. Water it at soil level. Basil is one of the easiest and most satisfying herbs to grow, for both beginning and experienced gardeners. Basil is known to attract bees and butterflies and has very aromatic foliage. It's a beautiful plant, making it an easy addition to flower beds and borders as both an ornamental and edible feature. Thank you for watching my video. More are coming soon, so please subscribe to my channel and enjoy organic gardening.